day?
Today we visited our college, Bombay College of Pharmacy, and I have completed exactly 50 years since I left here. So this was our Golden Jubilee get-together. It was such a pleasure to be here. It brought back old memories. This was the institute which shaped my career. The teachers, the principal, HOD were so gracious, kind and welcoming, showering us with food and gifts. We were totally overwhelmed. We means my colleagues and myself. I can speak for all of us. Later in the afternoon, we met the students, the final year students and some of the postgraduate and PhD students, and we were privileged to answer some questions. They gave us their undivided attention. It was lovely to share our experience with someone and speak about how our careers had been shaped up.
So, can you just tell us what were your teachers like and who all mentored you throughout your journey at Bombay College of Pharmacy?
Oh, our teachers were a fantastic, dedicated lot because at that time there were less students and we had a one-on-one interaction almost every day. We were young, frivolous, mischievous, but they really patiently explained things to us. They not only taught us pharmacy, they also taught us about discipline, dedication, and compassion. I can never forget our teachers. Thank you very much for them, wherever they are today. I particularly remember Dr. Tipnis, Dr. Thakur, Dr. Nimkar, Mrs. Bajaj, who interacted me regularly on a one-to-one basis, and many of our demonstrators who had been very, very kind.
So, hello, sir. How was your experience today visiting Bombay College of Pharmacy?
I'm Umesh Shukla from 1974 batch, which graduated in 1977 from B.Pharm, and I completed my M.Pharm as well in 1979. I had a wonderful experience today. The hospitality is unparalleled. All the staff and students are very nice. 50th reunion. I did come from the US to join you all. This college has made excellent progress over the last 50 years with lots of instruments, increased staff, increased students. I'm very glad to see it.
So, as a BCPN, what would you advise to current BCP students?
I suggest the students to work hard, be polite, and there are endless opportunities in this world. If something fails, it's not the end of the world. So keep on working.
I am a graduate of 1977 batch, and I'm very happy to be joining here, celebrating 50 years of our actually graduation. I am living right now in Canada. Moved to Canada in 2001, and I'm working there in pharmacy. Once again, I'm very happy to be here today. Yeah, thank you.
So, our next question to you would be, who were your favorite mentors during your graduation and how they helped you?
So it's a very difficult question because each and every one of the professors, of the faculty members was exceedingly caring for all the students. All of them helped us a lot, and they really genuinely cared for us, and they were always well-meaning. If we erred, they tried to correct us. Sometimes being little strict, which is necessary, because personally I think, looking back, I think we did a lot of silly or stupid mistakes, and I thank them, all of my professors. I have fond memories of Dr. Kokate, Dr. Balla especially. They were very, very kind, very, very helpful in everything. Yeah, that's what I would say. Yeah, but Dr. Tipnis, everybody was great actually. Yeah.
Okay. Hi, sir. Can you introduce yourself and how did you feel after coming to college?
Sure. Myself, I am Ramchandran V. Iyer. I am from BCP in the passed out B Farm in the year 1977, and I was very grateful to our mentor, Dr. Tipnis, Dr. Balla, and all other. They have guided me, given us all our whatever best they can do, and what we have taken from them. And I was working with Abbott India. I was there for 38 years. Now I am a retired.
So, sir, how did you feel about BCP today?
See, our time also BCP we were getting all the instrument, equipments, and every laboratory through grants. Now also we are getting those things, but we are having more sophisticated instruments, equipments, and so its usage is also important. But at the same time, the preventive maintenance of these instruments should be there.
Last question is that what one advice would you give to the current BCP students?
See, also there are a lot of opportunities, lot of lines. You have to choose one line. You are in any field, you have to go to the field and then study. Administrate is different. So whatever field you are in, production, manufacturing, or in analytical, you have to really learn, update yourself, and do your work to your best and solve the problem. There will be always a problem. You have to solve with help or yourself or somebody's guidance. Thank you.
Hello, sir. Can you quickly introduce yourself?
Yeah, sure. I am Pradeep Ora from 1978 batch. I have graduated in the year 1978 from this Bombay College of Pharmacy and worked for many multinationals as well as today I am running my own manufacturing unit for cosmetic as well as Ayurvedic. I'm here for the 50th Alumni Association, and today my experience is that it's a very good hospitality from the staff. My experience during the Bombay College of Pharmacy, Mr. Dr. Tipnis is my mentor who has shaped my life actually. Because of his, I have learned a lot of things and which has helped me in my career also. And I am still today in that same line. I am enjoying my life because of this line.
So, sir, what advice would you give to the current BCP students?
Yeah. Current BCP students who are is in this line, this is a very precise line, and it's a very good education as well as the as far as the this medicine is concerned. So whatever you do in your life, you do the best. Even if you work for R&D, if you work for production or marketing or anything, you do your best and try to get the experience from all the field. You can start your own things also, and you can keep your goal, strong goals to achieve those things. And definitely you can achieve those goals if you do the best in your life.
Hello, sir. How was your experience today?
Yes, the experience was terrific. By the way, I'm Rajiv Gokhale. I graduated from BCP in 1978, M.Pharm under Dr. Tipnis, and I specially made it a point to be present today for the 50th anniversary. This program was very well arranged. When I was invited to this, I didn't know what to expect, but it was very well orchestrated. First, with showing all the progress that BCP has made over the last 50 plus years, right from the inception of the institution. When I was here and now the institute has grown a lot. We didn't have a second floor that time. Now I see the very modern, highly equipped analytical laboratory with very sophisticated instrumentation. I also saw the Natoli lab here, which very much resembles a modern pharmaceutical GMP facility, although it is not a GMP facility as such. And then the overall, we had a question and answer session, and I was very intrigued with the questions the young minds are asking. I myself, as a parallel career as a teaching, although I worked in industry for a long time, and I am for Pfizer, Merck, Abbott, AbbVie at a very senior positions. and also had opportunity to launch various products like Rainwalk, Vikira Pack, Celebrex, Bextra. So I was a student like that. I was intrigued with their questions and their ambition and curiosity to grow. Overall, the arrangements were made very well. The staff was very hospitable and also very knowledgeable for those people who showed up different places. And I felt the warmth, although it has been a long time since I left. I felt like I'm coming back home again.
Sir, and who were your favorite mentors who helped you become who you are today?
So my favorite mentor is Dr. Tipnis, although I have equal respect for the other faculty like Dr. Balla, Dr. Nimkar, Dr. Thakur, Dr. Pukate. Dr. Tipnis was my guide. I joined IMFAM under him when I knew very little about research. He gave me a full freedom, and because of that, we could start the first bioavailability project in BCP. And he always taught us, aside from education, he taught us values in the life. I still remember the 5 important lessons that I learned from him. The first is never be afraid of failure. The failure makes you strong. So you should you will learn things like that. Don't keep the alcohol for drying in the oven. Such are the lessons, or always label your samples. The second thing, I was introvert, I was a little bit shy. He told me that always be bold, present your ideas. So because of that, I could present him the research idea on bioavailability, where we recruited the fellow students to do the experiment on bioavailability. And if you are bold, you can always create a new innovation. If you are not bold, it is very difficult. The third thing he taught us is always ask the question why, and the curiosity. So because of curiosity, you can learn a lot. At a time, it may look awkward, but you will always learn a lot. The fourth thing he taught us, that never be caged in your own area, where if you are doing formulation, don't do that throughout your life. Move around. So sure enough, I followed that. I learned completely the drug development from top to bottom, and that helped me throughout my life. And the fifth thing he taught us was always celebrate. So we used to celebrate small successes, and these celebrations can be for trivial things, like that the experiment worked. You did not blow up the lab. I'm just kidding about that, and things like that. So these are the 5 life lessons. So sometimes I feel that my journey under him is from lab coats to life lessons. And I'm very grateful for that. I'm also grateful for the institution for training me, not just the education, but the values in life that became the foundation.